Okay, hi everyone, my name is Eliana M. I'm in 12th grade. Okay, my mentor, Ian Gulliver, she works in Lamb Research Corp in California. She's originally from China, but she moved to the States to attend graduate school. And she has 2 kids, a 16-year-old son and a 14-year-old daughter. Okay, so first I made a website to introduce my topic. So it's called Hydro Cars. So yeah, this. Over there it's showing like why we should use hydro cars. So the fuel source that we use right now, like fuel whatever, it's depleting and it's really bad for the environment. So we really need to find an alternate energy source that's good for the environment. And there's actually some cars that they make that use alternate fuel sources, such as the Toyota Miria and the Honda Clarity. So these are just like statistical facts about like gasoline production in the U.S. And then these are just pictures. Okay. A fuel cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So in a proton exchange membrane fuel cell, the fuel source that they use is water. And the benefits are that there's no pollution and it's fewer breakdowns. Electrolysis is a process in which water is broken down into its components, hydrogen and oxygen. It has 5 major components, which are the anode, 2 catalyst layers, an electrolyte layer, and a cathode. So the steps for how it works is fuel enters into the anode, and the hydrogen gas reacts with the catalyzed layer, ionizes, and then it dissociates into its elements, which is the reaction over there. Then hydrogen ions move into the cathode, and then move out of the fuel cell and are used to power things. And then at the same time, while that's happening, oxygen is entered into the cathode to perform the reaction where it turns back into water. Okay. So my project is called HydroCar, and the objective was to investigate how fuel cells work and determine its efficiency using this fuel cell car over there. I chose this project because I'm very interested in alternative energy sources, and it's a topic that I hope to research further. From this, I learned a lot about alternative energy sources. And so what I did with the project was I set up the car, I tested different ranges using the battery for how long the car would run for, and then I tested the differences between using the battery and solar panels, and future research is to improve the solar panels. So my results, so I tested different times and saw how long the car would run for, and that's the chart. So obviously, when you charge it for longer, it'll run for longer. And then I charged the water for 5 minutes, and then using either the battery or the solar panel to check to see which one would work better, like the battery or the solar panel. And you could see that the battery is more efficient. And then there's videos. Right? So this is charging the water. I don't know if you can see, but like there's bubbles coming in the water. Yeah, it's really short. I don't know. And then the next one is the car actually running. So my magical experience, the highlight is I got to work very hands-on on a field that I'm very interested in. And I got the opportunity to not create a website, not program it, but I was able to design it, which was very cool. And the lessons I learned were, I learned how to independently perform research and that the complexity of running cars on water. Thank you.